Hi, Courtney. I will keep in mind that you had no experience before. Let me open your piece. Okay, that is really nice, but I don't want to see it on a brick wall. So can I also see a flat copy of it? It's a really good design. I love the city there. So I want to see a flat version and then maybe the template to the right. But to me, as a art director, I don't want to see it around a bunch of stuff. And then I also, instead of the sequence number, I want to see what it is done for XYZ. If you did it for a class, then just say what the assignment is. Also want to see the flat image. Looks beautiful. That's creative. Again, you want to say what it is. Oh, I see you're putting the text up in the top. Okay. So you have really strong work. I do find that these templates work really well for the internet stuff because it's hard to imagine them otherwise, but it looks excellent. I think you could do a better job on the creative typography there. So this says spot illustration. Again, those are great illustrations. I can see you're real talented, but I can barely tell what's going on over here because it's at an arc, it's over there. And I think, again, you could find something a little more creative for a camping article. I can't see your design on that Phototech at all. And this, to me, would be an important example of your typography skills, which I can barely make out. But one thing that does work is the background, and I realize it's a professional photographer's template. So you need to carry that through with your own work, like putting this on a floor or whatever. The putty color sort of interferes with your orange box. And I don't think you need to display it like this because you've already displayed it in real life. I guess that's just the box, right? Well, instead, maybe show this to the right and then show me the real design work to the left without the template. Same comments. I have no idea. Like, I can't judge your typography or your design skills at all because the type just looks sort of like blurry lines to me. Personal logo for jewelry company. That's beautiful. Maybe you want to show some jewelry coming out. Excellent logo design, really sharp, but I can't see it too well. I can kind of make it out right here, but I want to see the digital work. All right, it seems to me you're really into illustration. I think that's fabulous. What are these little circles right here? Those could be rendered better. Are they banana slices or something else? By the name of the company, Natural Roots, it makes me wonder if that's something that I've never eaten before. But I think the apple looks really good. I think the grapes, I guess if the highlight is right there, that makes sense. But clearly this apple is the same as that apple. You can tell by the leaf. So why not go in and change that apple a little bit more? Maybe have it be a little sassy one that turns the other way. You basically don't want to look like you copy and paste things. You want to look like you spend a lot of time on everything and you love it. That is really beautiful. I've mentioned this to Ace, but the light bulb is a really overused cliche. So you might want to think twice before really promoting it in your portfolio. That said, I do think you've done a nice job. It looks like this illustration goes with your first poster. Should those be one package? Okay, so this assignment, I teach this class too. That is a very creative take on the apple. And you've almost drawn these fingers good. I just think this this finger right here should probably taper off a little bit more towards a point. But, pretty good piece. Excellent. That should be with your other piece. They should be shown together. I think you have beautiful illustration skills. This is okay. I probably wouldn't put it in your portfolio though. You have much stronger work and I really don't see what it's going to do for you unless a art director says, can you cut out images cleanly? And then you can say, well, yes, I can. And you can show them this extra piece. All right, so those are my thoughts. I think you have a lot of talent. I would just put everything together in a more direct way, combine pages, and show the digital files. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.